today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your hotels Banco map. So all you have to do, so you just click here on communications, just click on it here. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on hotels.com. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down. Just click here on partners offers from us. Just click on it here. Then you come to this list here. Click here on email. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's my partners offers from us enable with us now. Then you click here on update. Then it's going to save with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.